Hey guys, I am so excited to show you all what I have right here in front of me. It's very exciting, and I cannot believe that this Thursday my shop will be 1 year old. That is crazy to me. I don't know, I never thought that my shop would be like this big already, even though I know it's not big, but to me it is. It just blows my mind, the number of people who support my shop, and I am so thankful and grateful for everyone who has purchased from me and supported my shop and just been there with me through it all the last year, no matter if you found my shop the very first day I opened or if you just found my shop yesterday. Thank you for supporting me. And now, without further ado, here is the exclusive kit I have designed for my shop anniversary. And it's not what I originally had planned because the amazing girl who was originally going to do it ended up getting sick and could not do it. And so I had to hurry up and try to find someone, and a super sweet fellow shop owner offered to do it for me, and it's amazing. So here it is. This is, oops, it's upside down, a Gatsby Roaring 20s themed kit. This is my absolute favorite era ever. If I could be born in any era, it would be the 20s. I love it so much, and I'm gonna be 20 in 2020, so I'm planning on having a huge Roaring 20s theme party. So I just thought this would be perfect for my 1 year shop anniversary. It's super fun and festive, and all of this art is hand drawn by Red Fawn Designs. So thank you so much again for doing this art. I love it. So here are the full boxes you get. You get 2 different girls. This one with the hat, the martini glass, a bow tie, and the shoe, the super cool vintage camera, and the 20s style car. I love this so much. This is, I don't know, this era just makes me so happy. I know it was kind of when the Great Depression was starting to happen and stuff, but I just love any kind of books or movies or anything that is this theme, this era. I just love it so much. So I'll quit rambling. Here are the full boxes, and you get 2 appointment labels. Here's the weekend banner, some glitter washi strips, some solid washi strips, the bottom washi, and the date covers, which turned out super cute. I love the olive green color with this kit. I had a hard time, since the full boxes are pretty much just like black, white, and gold, trying to figure out different colors to use, so I just went with the gold theme and then the olive and black. Here's the functional page with half boxes and quarter boxes, a lot of functional items, movie marquee, checklists, and asterisks. Here are the headers and little things, the ombre heart checklist, and more appointment labels. These super cute clouds. These are always my favorite to use. Lots of page flags, some sidebar stuff, these 2 little text stickers, some glitter headers, 2 scallop labels, and 2 bill dues. So there is that kit, and I am going to do a plan with me for it. So if you guys want to see that, then just stay tuned. And yeah, so the rundown with this kit is it is an exclusive kit with exclusive art. It'll only be available for about a week. It's going to go on sale Thursday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And Thursday I will have a 1 year shop anniversary sale. It will be the only day that you can use a coupon code for this kit. The rest of the weekend will be 40% off too, along with Thursday. But you will not be able to use coupons on this kit the rest of the weekend. Plus, on Thursday, in addition to being able to use the 40% off coupon, you will also get the first 20 orders who purchase this kit will get a grab bag of about 20 freebies. So that is a super awesome deal. I think I counted there's 18 freebies to be exact. So you don't want to miss out on this. Alright guys, so sorry for the super long intro. While I'm setting up my date covers in the sidebar that are pretty much the same every single week, I did want to mention that intro I filmed like a week and a half ago, and I meant to upload this sooner, but I was in Texas, and then I was just busy with all kinds of shop stuff and finishing up finals, which were also the same week as my shop anniversary, so I didn't get to post this when I wanted to post it. The kits are still available in the shop. They'll only be available for about a week longer, and there are still grab bags left, so you'll definitely want to get your hands on those before the kit goes out of the shop. And also, while I'm setting that up, I did want to mention that I'm doing a giveaway. So there's currently a giveaway going on my Instagram, which is huge. There's all kinds of goodies available. I mentioned like the big ones, plus I'll be throwing in all kinds of other goodies in there too. Real quick, that washi tape I'm putting down is from a pack that I got at Craft Warehouse. So for the giveaway, to enter, you will be winning a $50 shop credit to my shop, and to enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to me, and then comment down below your favorite, let's see, I didn't think about this ahead of time, and I've been doing so many giveaways, so comment down below your favorite, comment down below your favorite shop. Let's celebrate some other shop owners too, and I'm always looking for new stickers. It doesn't have to be like a big shop, or it doesn't even have to be my shop. Just comment down below your favorite shop and why. Why do you love that shop so much? Is it because their prices are awesome, their quality is awesome, their customer service is awesome, you just love the shop owner? Tell me why you love that shop, and I will pick a winner in 1 week. And yeah, so I'm getting ready to start my day by day. I'm starting Monday with a glitter header and a checklist, and then below that I'm just widening out the line so I can put down a quarter box with a go away Monday sticker from my shop. I believe every single sticker I use in this spread is from my shop. So yeah, every single one is from my shop. I didn't pull that much in. This is a rewind spread that I'm doing here, so I didn't really feel the need to pull in tons of stickers or even really fill in my checklist. It's pretty much just a mock-up. It's a little bit cut off, but after I place down the full box, I'm just layering some glitter headers behind a quarter box. That desk sticker is from my shop. They're available in the large sizes or a mini size, and the work sticker is from the kit. So I just marked that. We went to the fair that day because the next day my sister was taking her lamb, so, she had to get her pen ready and check in, and my mom had to get our wristbands and our parking passes for the whole week and all of that fun stuff. On Tuesday, I just decided to move that full box up because I didn't like the awkward space at the top. And then below that, I put down an appointment label to mark some laundry I needed to do, and the laundry sticker I use is from the kit, but I also offer full sheets of those in my shop too. On this day, my grandpa actually passed away, so I used a cloud from the kit to mark that, and then I put down a scallop label with a paw print sticker from my shop to mark I played Frisbee with one of my dogs. And then I did actually leave the rest of Tuesday blank because I wanted to go in afterwards and print out a picture of my grandpa and I to stick in there like I did with my great-grandma when she passed away. So I just thought that would be nice to have to remember him. On Wednesday, I put down a half box to mark that I worked on orders, and of course, since that usually takes up my entire day, I put down a page flag that I just layered underneath of it to take up some space there. Then I put down that glitter full box with the old camera. I love that one so much. I just love all of these actually. Like if you asked me to pick a favorite, no way could I do it. Then I just put down my to-do and checklist and a meal little thing. moving on to the second half of the week, I just filled in the rest of my dates. And then starting on Thursday, I put down another glitter header. Usually my kits come with silver glitter headers, but of course I had to include lots of gold for this kit. I put down a today header and then a half box that I put a camera sticker from the kit to mark that I filmed a Throwback Thursday video, and I also uploaded it on that day. I do want to try to get into a regular schedule of like filming and uploading and all that, but this summer I've been traveling a lot and I'm getting ready to move and start a new school, so I'm transferring to a university from a community college, and that's definitely going to make me really, really busy. I'm officially living on my own now, and so I'm going to have to get like another job. I've been the last like 6 months supporting myself just from my Etsy shop, but my apartment is a lot more, so I'm gonna have to get another job, plus I'm going to school, plus I'm planning on joining a sorority at my new school. So I just need you guys to bear with me. Within like a month I should have a pretty set schedule of filming and uploading and everything else. On Friday this part got cut off, but the bottom I put a quarter box with a Friday sticker from my shop. I also offer those in full sheets. That one was from the kit, and then I put a cloud at the bottom to mark that we went to the horse races. Moving on to the weekend, I'm starting with glitter headers on both Saturday and Sunday to layer behind the weekend banner. I like the weekend banners that I use. I know they are bigger, but for me it's so much easier compared to weekend banners in a lot of other kits because it fits perfectly in between the two boxes, and I feel like a lot of them that aren't that large, it's so hard for me to get like straight and centered and all that. On Saturday I put down a full box at the bottom, and then I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, but the black is a little hard to see on camera, but in person, like I'm looking at my planner now, it's actually really easy to see the black ink on the black paper. So I just marked that I watched Lost, and then I put that glitter header on Sunday, and at the top of Saturday I put down a appointment label to mark that I had a history test due, which was my last one besides my final, thank God. And then on Sunday I put down a cloud to mark my sister's auction, and then under that I put a today header and my last checklist, and then I just put a TV little thing to mark that I started watching Insatiable. Is that how you say it? I can never know how to say that. It's a Netflix original with Debbie Ryan, and it's actually really good. I know there's been some controversy on it, but I really liked it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me, and it's time for the giveaway for that $50 shop credit. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!